do we have ourselves here? So I guess the first part to unboxing anything is actually getting it out of the box. How to open a box, you guys already know that. Without further ado, let's go and just pry this. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Here, let me get everything out of the box. You guys know how to get stuff out of a box. All right, so after you get the box opened, you know, completely and not with just one arm, I can switch arms. It's great. After you do that, I haven't looked in here yet, so I mean, I guess you can only take my word from that. But I guess we should go with where I bought this from. Of course, I got it from the infamous Revzilla. If you've been around motorcycling and the internet for a while, you know Revzilla. You've at least heard of them, but I just smacked the camera. You at least have heard of Revzilla, so let's kind of finagle. Oh, god dang it. Oh, hold on. Let me get this bag open. Okay, got the bag open. This one-handed thing is kind of difficult. I can't even get things out of the bag. So of course, stickers and everything. I actually bought my Icon Elsinore 1000s. I don't know, they're boots. They're my riding boots. I actually got them from Revzilla, and they did this in a freaking fast manner. I ordered this exhaust last Friday, which was April 10th, 11th? April 10th, 11th, somewhere around there. This last Friday. It is now Thursday and it already came in. So of course, you know, I ordered it on a Friday, so it didn't ship until Monday, but it only took 4 days to get here. That is why I love going through Revzilla. Same thing with Cycle Gear. That's where I got my lovely little helmet, but that's where I got that from. So they always send out really cool stickers, and these are the same exact stickers I got last time. So, you know, that's good enough. One more thing. If you haven't already, go check out their YouTube channel. They do a bunch of gear stuff and a bunch of exhaust covering, and you know, they're still a company, so they're not ever gonna say too bad about a product that they're selling, but they are as honest as a company can possibly be. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm kind of nervous because these look really good in the picture. Or well, in pictures and on bikes that I've seen, but I haven't actually seen it in real life. So I guess now is a good time to figure out just what a full drag pipe looks like. So it's all wrapped, of course. However, these aren't wraps. These are the little flanges and the heat shields for it, I guess. It looks a little dull, but I think it's just the plastic that's on it. But that's cool nonetheless. So I'm gonna slowly open these one by one and then go over what each part is. And of course I need both hands for that. So I might throw on the helmet just so I can get through this quicker and be able to use both of my hands. So we'll see. And more of that. There's nothing in these. So I guess that's pretty self-explanatory. You know, there's not a whole lot that comes in a motorcycle exhaust, and I guess these are the only two parts we really need. So let's go and open this up. This is why you always got scissors. You always need scissors in these. You're always gonna have to cut something. Let's go and see what's in these. Bubble wrap, always fun to pop later. I think this is actually the mounting bracket. Yes, this is the mounting. Ooh. That is nice. I don't know if you guys can see just how clean that paint is. It's so nice. But this is the mounting bracket for the rear. I think I can feel it here where it bolts. Let's go and get all this out so I can show you guys more. At least they used masking tape on these ones. They didn't use scotch tape and ruined everything else. Hold on, I'm actually gonna try and go find some gloves that I can put on because I don't want to get any residue on it. So when it actually is on the bike and it heats up, it may get a little blue. So I'm actually gonna go find some gloves. All right, I'm back. I found some gloves. They're not the highest of quality, but they will do. So let's go and dive right into this, into the actual exhaust itself. And from the looks of it, it's looking pretty good. So, here she is. just a solid pipe. I think this is actually the pipe that runs from the front exhaust port, and this one must be the rear. So let's go and get that one open as well. And here's the other piece. This is the, or maybe this is the front. I don't know. Nah, that has to be the front, because these have to be at the same angle. So as far as what you get in the kit, that's pretty much it. You get probably some instructions, a couple bolts and things for, you know, of course, mounting it up. The heat shield, and then the flanges that are supposed to go for the heat shields. They hook onto it, and a mounting bracket, and that's pretty much it. Of course, it will be mounted towards the ass end here. There's a mounting bracket right there, and then the second mounting bracket right there. As far as pipes go, you know, this is pretty standard for a full drag pipe. You know, some exhausts do come with the ability to change out the mufflers. These don't, because these are just a standard drag pipe style. And as far as that's pretty much it. So I guess the next part to this video is going to be the installation process. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part.